I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Hello Kitty house. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need sturdy cardboard for the main structure, craft foam for details, and plenty of pink paint. Don't forget decorative elements like glitter, Hello Kitty stickers, and tiny bows to add that special touch. Essential tools include sharp scissors, strong craft glue, and a ruler for precise measurements. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now let's build the house frame. Carefully cut your cardboard into pieces for the walls, roof, and floor. A good starting size for the base is about 12 inches by 12 inches. Use a strong craft adhesive or a hot glue gun to securely join these pieces, ensuring the structure is stable. This forms the foundation for your adorable Hello Kitty home. Time to bring in the iconic Hello Kitty style. Paint the entire house a cheerful, vibrant pink. Once dry, add crisp white trim around all windows and doors for that classic, clean finish. Don't forget the signature red bow. Attach a prominent one to the roof. You can also add small white polka dots or stripes for extra charm. For the final touches, let your creativity shine. Decorate the interior with miniature furniture and tiny Hello Kitty figures to make it feel lived in. Apply glitter sparingly for a magical sparkle and strategically place Hello Kitty stickers. You might even add a small fence or a tiny garden area around the house, completing your charming Hello Kitty abode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.